Well, I just looked in the back of the truck and it is not leaking. Now we're going to take this truck out for a ride. I haven't had the opportunity to take it out in a good rain since I think I've got it sealed up. You know, and I just looked in the back. I've shined the flashlight back there and all appears dry. All right, we're in the middle of a hailstorm right now. Those are really pretty big, actually. That's crazy. But it's pretty warm out. I wonder if you get a rainbow after a hailstorm. Because it looks like the sun may actually come out. What do you think, guys? Huh? That is quite a bit. Quite a bit. And it's coming right out of there still. Yeah. Look at that. That's not good. Luckily, this truck right now is at a slant. What's going on behind here? That's alright. That seems fine there. What's going on over in this corner? And it appears to be dry down here. This is leaking. Oh yeah. I tell you what, we're gonna try some of this spray. I've got the Flex Seal in here. Right in here. And we're gonna step outside and see what this does. Yeah, this is leaking. Leaking, leaking, leaking. Yep. Okay, we are using the Flex Seal for this. I've had this for a couple years and it's been outdoors and that is not recommended. But who knows, maybe it's gonna work. I don't know if you can see back there, but I've sprayed all along the back wall there and in the corner where it was leaking, all along up in here. And there was a puddle down there before. I've sprayed inside a whole bunch as well as out here. You can see where I've done that. All along there, as well as all along here, the top and bottom of this. And I tried to spray as much as I could in there. And just kind of gave it a good squirt down into there as much as I could. Again, it's gonna have to rain and I'll have to see what happens. I'm going to look at the outside of this thing. It just looks awful, but it does the job. Like I said, I'm gonna get some of that Gorilla Tape, that waterproof Gorilla Tape, and we'll see what happens with that. That'll come tomorrow because everything's closed today. All right, here we go again. I've never had a day that I can remember in my life where the only precipitation you got throughout the day was hail. Soft little balls they are. They're not too big. They don't seem to be doing any damage. But interesting. So the sun has been out today. The sun has been in. It's never rained. It's either been cloudy, sunny, or doing this. This is a good little spot here at the end of the day in the driveway. And it appears the sun is going to come back out again. I used this bungee cord here to hold this up because the whatever it is in here is broken. If we get a good gust of wind, this will come down. So I just simply put this on there and pull it back to there, and that's fixed. You know, no need to go out and invest in this right now. It works fine. Really looks good back there, guys. Got it all set up. I am pretty much ready to camp. This chair here, here's another little cool chair. And this one just sitting right here like this, and this baby. Talk about something that's easy, huh? Alright, I just gave this thing another spray. Not on the inside, but on the outside here. Another coat of Flex Seal. The spray. And I'm hoping this is going to do it. I got that Gorilla Tape, the waterproof tape. There it is. Doesn't look good, but I have a feeling that's going to seal this up. Let's hope so. I really put it on there. I did the same thing on the inside in the same area. And then you can see I've got all this Flex Seal on there too.
There's a winter storm warning in effect Monday, April 18th, 8 p.m. to Tuesday, April 19th, 2 p.m. The current weather is 58 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has snowy, rainy weather with a low of 34 degrees.
I just scratched this wood with the spoon. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I mean, you just literally just kind of pick at it there a little bit. And let me tell you what, it's like hot sauce, man. You just notched it up. Notched it up. It just kicks up the heat big time. Of course, there's Mr. Red Squirrel. He and the chipmunk there, Jim Bob. I'm going to call him Jim Bob. What are we going to name this? The Red Squirrel. Lester? Maybe that's Lester. Yeah. I'm not really ready to open up the door yet. I'll use a flashlight right now. You can kind of see it all along the window there. Check out this window though. That's completely covered over in snow. Yeah. Chin Man's going. Coffee's going. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning right now. And we are ready to begin the day. Yoo-hoo! Alright guys, check in a little bit. April 19th, and yeah, as Uncle Ernie predicted, I can hardly talk right now, we got a snowstorm. Let's take a look out here. Alright. Ooh, it's coming down. It is coming down. Strange. It's alright, man. It's kind of cool. Because I know, probably by tomorrow it's gone. Excuse me, or rather later today. We'll come back in here where it is not winter. Well, I guess we'll get to see if that truck is holding up, because we got all kinds of weather last night. Rain, snow, wind. I did a good seal job on that yesterday. I hope I did a good seal job. Maybe it'll be the final one. Strange weather, huh? Yeah, we had some mighty winds last night. Blew a bunch of stuff over down there, or over there. We have huge puddles of water, just like it was winter or something. This is why I have these pallets down. Otherwise, I'd be standing in 3 inches of water. Maybe the sun will come out. Who knows? Alright guys, moment of truth here. We've had a lot of moments of truth. I had to seal this up yesterday and the day before because it had rained, or I had gotten water in here I had seen from a previous ride. And yesterday I sealed all of this up. And now we're going to take a look because it snowed and it rained all night. And it looks completely dry in there. No leaks. Nope. We're good. We are good to go as far as sitting still goes. And I'm not ready to take this out right now to find out what happens next, but we'll see. And look at that river, guys. Wow. It couldn't be any muddier than it is right now. Alright guys, that's a wrap. The truck is sealed up. Spring is finally here. I think. The snow is pretty much melted here. And hopefully that river clears up here real soon. I know it's been muddy, it's been snowy, and anyway, if you're new to the channel, RiverJack Z, that's my name, RiverJack Z. Live by the river, my name is Jack, and Z is for zucchini. I used to be in a band called the Zucchini Brothers, and I make a living playing music for kids, you know, writing songs with them, those types of things. And I live in my RV here in the backyard in the North Country, and I spend a lot of time outdoors, as much time as possible. And that's what this is all about, living outside the box, living gratefully, and low budget living. So stick around, man. I mean, I'm going to be out in that truck too, doing some camping. That's part of the plan this summer. Hopefully we'll be traveling up north for lots of gigs. So guys, peace, love, and understanding. Woo-hoo! Yeehaw!